Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about establishing credit and how to maximize it when you want to buy a home. So here we go. So perhaps you're a little bit younger, on the younger side, just starting out in life and trying to establish your credit by maybe having a credit card, or maybe even can't even get a credit card yet. But you know that you want to get something going so that you can make some bigger purchases later on in life. Things like, I don't know, a car, maybe buy a house, things like that. So a very simple and easy way to establish credit is you need to have a bank account. So you got to start there. Usually what you do when you don't have any scores, you can go to your bank where you do your normal banking. So wherever you have your debit card attached to and your checking accounts and that sort of thing. And what you can do is you can ask them for a secured credit card. Now, a secured credit card works, it reads like a credit card, so it actually gets reported to the credit bureaus, so you can actually start establishing credit, getting some scores, but it's attached to your bank account. So there's not really a lot of risks. The bank will do these type of deals, the secured credit card deals, because they know that the money is attached there. They can just get the money if they need to. It's much more way of, it's different than having a big credit limit and some unknowns. So usually the limit on them is only $300 to maybe $500 being kind of the average that I have seen, but that's enough. Just one of those accounts is enough to start getting something on the board. Once you have some scores that are starting to report, you have that account that's reporting to the bureaus, now it's possible to actually try to get a regular credit card. Now, what I would try to avoid are store cards. So, a Victoria's Secret card, a Lowe's card, something that's specific to a store. They can help. Sometimes they can help a little bit, but they don't seem to do all that much for your overall score. Not that I've seen. The best type of accounts are just like a general credit card. Usually the limits will be whatever it is compared to what your income is, or however that shakes out. But it gets that first stepping stone. Now, if you already have some credit and it's either really old, or that's usually like you don't have anything active and so your scores are low, getting a secured credit card could be that way to getting your credit pretty much updated and getting it more active, and that would actually have your scores go up. So that's a way of doing it as well if you already have some credit, but let's say it's really old and you don't really use it. So the secured credit card is a great way to do that. So I've worked with this with clients when they're buying a house and their credit is a little bit low, or they don't have any, and we don't want to go the non-traditional credit route where you have to have 12 months of you paying a utility or paying a cell phone bill. You can purchase a home going that route, but there's going to be some limitations and restrictions that get placed on that. So it could be a little bit more challenging depending on what your situation is when you're looking to buy a house. So those are just some nice little tips there that can help with credit and help you get established when you're looking to buy a home. If you like this content, please leave a like on the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Alrighty. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.